Welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things entrepreneurship. Today's video is all about how to find the perfect business idea. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or someone who's been in business for a while, it's always helpful to have new ideas and perspectives on how to find the right business idea that suits you. So let's dive right in. Identify your interests. The first step in finding your perfect business idea is to identify your interests. What are you passionate about? What do you love doing in your free time? Once you've identified your interests, think about how you can turn them into a business idea. For example, if you love baking, you could start a bakery or a catering business. If you're interested in fashion, you could start a clothing line or a fashion blog. Research your industry. Once you've identified your interests, it's time to research your industry. Look at the current trends, competition, and market demand. What are the gaps in the market that you can fill? What are the pain points of your potential customers? This will help you identify what kind of business idea would work best for you. Brainstorm ideas. Now that you've done your research, it's time to start brainstorming ideas. Write down all the business ideas that come to your mind, no matter how crazy or unrealistic they may seem. You can always refine and adjust them later. Get feedback from friends and family on your ideas to see what they think. Evaluate your ideas. After you've brainstormed a list of business ideas, it's time to evaluate them. Look at each idea and ask yourself, is there a market for this? Can I make money from this idea? Do I have the skills and resources to make this idea a reality? Narrow down your list to the most viable and realistic ideas. Test your ideas. Before you fully commit to a business idea, test it out. Conduct market research, create a prototype, and get feedback from potential customers. This will give you a better idea of whether your idea is worth pursuing or if you need to go back to the drawing board. Conclusion. So there you have it, our 5-step process on how to find the perfect business idea. Remember, finding the right business idea takes time, effort, and patience. Don't be afraid to fail and keep refining your ideas until you find the one that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more entrepreneurship tips and tricks.